Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here with another creative writing lessons video. In this video, I'm going to be going over productivity writing tips, and I'm going to go over two tips. So, you know how when you're getting comfortable, getting ready to write, and you're writing and you're going along, but then you have some distractions or you feel like you're burning out? This video is going to be to help with your time frame, with time management while writing. All right, guys, let's jump right into the video. So the first productivity tip is going to be the 45-minute work, 10-minute break session. So what you're going to do is you're going to work for 45 minutes straight. And then at the 45-minute mark, you're going to take a 10-minute break. And make sure you're taking your breaks because you don't want to burn out. By burning out, it's going to stop your productivity. And then able to get stuff written, you got to be productive, right? So with this cycle, you can do this as many times as you like, since again, it's only 45 minutes and 10-minute break. You can do it 2 times, and you'll be putting in 90 minutes of work with 20 minutes of break, and then you can continue through whatever else you have to do for the rest of the day. This, especially if you're under some time constraint, or you have to go to work, or you have to watch your kids, or anything like that, right? If you guys are enjoying my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story for beginners. All right, guys, let's jump right back into the video. Hope you're enjoying it so far, and let's get this tip number 2. So tip number 2 is going to be the 90-minute work session and 20-minute break session. This method is my favorite method because I feel like I can get a lot more done in 90 minutes straight before I feel like I'm getting tired or burnt out, especially because I do a lot of note taking and outlining. So by the time I go to write, I just feel like I'm on a flow. But this is methods if you do well with shorter intervals, because again, you're going to be working 90 minutes straight, and then you're going to take a 20-minute break. And then pretty much you can end it there, or you can continue writing, do another 90 minutes. It just depends on your time constraints. I hope this video will help you guys out with your productivity when writing, especially for beginners. If you want to follow me on my social medias, I'm also on TikTok, Pinterest, and Instagram at Creative Writing Lessons. My personal one will be in the bio below. I'm also offering a free exposition worksheet. You just got to send me an email, and I can send you that worksheet out. It's pretty much helping you with character development. All right, guys. So if you want to learn more about character development, I got a video here. I also have a playlist for your story plot art. And don't forget, guys, to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, guys. Have a good one. I'll see you next time.